What's up everybody, Bertla Speed, and I'm back with another video. Okay, today quick video on how to fix the DLL problem with Assassin's Creed. So let's just go ahead. I'll double click on the game, and as you can see, it won't work because my defender grabbed that file as a malicious file, like detected as malicious. So all you just gotta do is just either go to your history and find that the window defender. Okay, just now you have it here, and if you notice, it appears, let me just hide this thing. It appears on this side that it grabbed this, so it just detected it as malicious. So all you just do is just click here and restore. Okay, click restore, and I guess I'm done. If I run the game now, it should be working. It grabbed the game. So just remove allow on this device, okay? And yeah, now I guess it should be perfect. Yep. The game works. So this is how you fix it. You don't need to download anything. Just go into your window defender and find it there and just restore it or allow it on the device or on this computer. If it worked for you, make sure you hit that like button, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.